Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your TikTok For You page. First, let's clear your app's cache. This is a simple step that often helps refresh your feed without deleting any important data like your drafts. Just go to your profile, tap the 3 lines for settings, then select Settings and Privacy. From there, find Free Up Space and tap Clear next to cache. This usually takes only a few seconds. Next, actively tell TikTok what you don't want to see. When you encounter a video that isn't to your liking, simply long press on it. A menu will pop up, and you'll see the option Not Interested. Tapping this button is a powerful way to refine your feed. Do this consistently for about 10 to 15 videos, and you'll notice a significant shift in the content presented to you. For a more drastic refresh, head back to your settings and privacy. Under the Content and Display section, you'll find Content Preferences. Here, you can choose to refresh your For You feed. This option essentially gives you a brand new For You page, similar to what a new user would experience. It's a great way to start fresh if your current feed feels completely off track. If all else fails, or you desire a truly blank canvas, creating a new TikTok account is an option. This ensures a completely fresh start, allowing you to curate your feed from scratch by only engaging with content you love. Alternatively, if you prefer to keep your existing account, commit to consistently liking and interacting with new types of videos for at least 30 minutes a day to retrain the algorithm.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.